How to speak English fluently. The secrets to sounding like a native. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Start. Today we're talking about something that every English learner wants. How to speak English fluently. Have you ever felt like you know a lot of English, but when you try to speak, you hesitate? Do you struggle to find the right words or feel nervous about making mistakes? If so, you're not alone. In this video, I'll share the best strategies to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Step number 1, stop translating in your head. One big reason learners struggle with fluency is translating from their native language. This slows you down and makes speaking feel unnatural. Instead, train your brain to think in English. Start with simple thoughts. I need to buy coffee. Describe what's around you in English. Practice having an inner dialogue in English. The more you think in English, the faster and more natural your speech will become. Step number 2, learn phrases, not just individual words. Fluent speakers don't think word by word. They use phrases and expressions. For example, instead of memorizing the word recommend, learn the whole phrase. Can you recommend a good restaurant? Instead of learning busy, learn. I've been super busy lately. The more you use phrases, the more naturally you'll speak. Step number 3, speak every day, even if you're alone. Speaking fluently is like training a muscle. If you don't use it, you lose it. Talk to yourself in English. Read out loud. Shadow native speakers. Even if you have nobody to practice with, you can still improve by speaking alone. Step number 4, use AI for instant speaking practice. AI tools like ChatGPT can be your 24/7 speaking partner. Try this. Type, let's have a conversation about travel. Respond to AI's questions just like a real conversation. Keep practicing different topics. The more you interact with AI, the more confident you'll feel speaking English. Step number 5, improve your pronunciation with shadowing. Want to sound more natural? Try shadowing. Listen to native speakers. Repeat immediately after them. Copy their pronunciation and rhythm. Even just 5 minutes of shadowing a day will make a huge difference in your fluency. Step number 6, don't fear mistakes, embrace them. Many learners are afraid of sounding stupid or making mistakes, but the truth is, mistakes are proof that you're learning. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Keep improving. Challenge. Speak in English for 10 minutes today. I challenge you to speak for 10 minutes today. Talk about your day, your plans, or even what you ate for breakfast. Let me know in the comments if you tried this challenge. The key to fluency is consistent practice. If you speak every day, you will get better, so keep going and I'll see you in the next video.